in the beginning, I just kind of wasn't happy with my current career. Um, Currently, I'm an electrician, but I've always had uh, basically the thought and goal of getting into software development. And I was, going through, different tutorials or YouTube videos or certain books, but a lot of it was just not really knowing where to start, how to begin. Really, the other things that I always get worried about was like what was actually important to study. Like, am I studying something that is really not that important anymore, or whatever it may be. I just wanted to be able to know like the material that I was working through was like to be trusted, and knowing like this is accurate material in order to improve the skills that I need to have. They've made it to where, in my situation, especially where I came in with very little experience, and they've shown me what material I need to focus on first, just going through like the fundamentals, and then actually putting projects together. The guidance has been great, and there's plenty of resources and people to ask, like what's next or whatever it may be. Honestly, like it is structured very well to where there is very little questions to know like what's next. Granted, there's still going to be plenty of questions, but I feel like I know what's next to do. I have a passion for what I'm doing now because like I want to learn every bit of what I'm doing. I don't want to just go through some step by step thing. It's like, okay, I created this. I've noticed that like I try to be pretty precise, and I want to understand as much as I can throughout this. It was kind of funny how it all ended up like coming to be. I was on Instagram just kind of scrolling through, and I ran across Caleb's page, and I looked at it. I followed him, and then he sent me a DM, just like kind of introducing himself, asking like where I'm at in my software development career, and I explained to him basically, I've done this, I've done that, but like I'm an electrician. I've always kind of had interest in doing this, and he explained to me what his mentorship was about, what they did, and all that. And then I immediately went and talked to my wife about it. I was like, "Hey, this guy, like I went checked him out. I looked through YouTube, found a bunch of YouTube videos of him going into depth on certain different topics, and I'm like, this guy like seems like really passionate about teaching, software development, and he knows what he's talking about." Um, and then like a day or two went by, and he just like sent me a checkup, like, "Hey, I haven't heard back from you. Is everything going all right?" And I'm like, I like this guy's persistent. Like that's cool. I like it. He's a consistent fella, and basically, I was interested in that because it's like the consistency that I've noticed him having with just putting material out on YouTube or social media or anything like that. I was like really interested in seeing just the success that he's had with other mentees. I was like, this guy, like, he seems like the type of guy I want to get to know and learn from. So basically, I knew I needed to make a change in my life because I knew I wasn't happy. I didn't want to live my life just going to work and not having a passion for it anymore. I wanted to wake up motivated. I want to have that feeling when I wake up. It's like, all right, I want to tackle this. I want to learn something new. Just the way Caleb presented himself and explaining the community he's built and all of the senior developers that are also involved, and just the community that's there. It was super encouraging. That made me want to join. I just really I knew it was important for me to make a change in my life because I wanted to be happy. I wanted to be proud of the work I did. I wanted to be challenged. Um, and I felt like this was something that was right for me. And the timing was just, couldn't have been more perfect because I was struggling, and then it's like, you know what? Like I randomly found this guy, like this could be a sign, like this is something I want to do. From where I was, just a few months ago to where I am to now, like I'm waking up motivated and I'm having conversations with people that are smarter than me. And it's not like, oh, I'm with a bunch of people that know more than me. It's like, no, it's like, hey, these guys are smart. That's cool. I want to learn from them. There's nothing wrong with not knowing things. It's like go out there and learn something new. So it's been encouraging every day. I feel like my confidence is like even grown throughout this process. The coding skills and understanding these different programs and the software and the packages for what's needed. It's like super motivating to like this is stuff I was like I'd never learn this. I wouldn't know what I'm doing. I mean, there's still a lot I need to learn and understand better, but like it's super encouraging to see that I am learning and growing. So those are just some of the small wins that I try to acknowledge and see every day to keep myself moving ahead. And there's just been a lot of good relationships I've built throughout being in this community as well. You guys have structured it too to where it's like, okay, there's plenty of like technical skills to learn from, coding skills, system design. Then there's a lot of like leadership and just like thought processes of trying to just grow as a person, not just as a developer. I feel like I've noticed. And that's been super encouraging too, because I mean, like, yeah, I'm here because I want to learn how to, you know, be a developer and grow these skills to where I can, be beneficial to someone. But then, there's so many other things that could make you a good programmer that comes along with not just being, good at coding. You know, um, are you do you think well out of the box? Are you a good problem solver? What are your personal skills? Are you a good leader? Um, I mean, just the networking aspect that you guys provide as well is pretty, beneficial to have access to. So I mean, there's so many things that I feel like I've grown as well as, not just coding skills. Like there's a lot more that I've learned throughout this program other than coding skills that I didn't think I would be having access to. I would say if you are already thinking about joining, just do it. Um, the, there's just so many things that you have access to, whether it's the mentors, the material, the other mentees. Um, there's so much to gain from the program that if you're already on the fence, just go in because I things will change for you. Just come in dedicated to work, be open to learning new things or diving deeper into the things that you've previously worked on. I mean, there's just so many things that would benefit an individual wanting to come in. Um, in the end, it's I truly believe it'll all pay off.